Did somebody try to take it out already?
Those people. I went to the oil place.
And they couldn't take it out?
Like last week, 2 weeks ago. They told me, oh, it's shot. It's somebody stripped it. Man, that was them.
Why did you tell, hey, I never changed the oil anywhere else, only you guys.
I said it, and then they said, well, you know, I don't know, man. I don't know what they said, man. They say they're not responsible. Shit, I don't know.
You should have a paperwork.
It's coming out, huh?
I hope so.
You gotta pull it out?
Yeah, but this thing here hit that frame right here.
Oh, damn it.
Okay, I had to use the impact.
They said, I think you gotta put a flat screw in the middle.
That's why I need to use the impact. Okay.
Good?
I want you to put the gun in there.
Yeah.
Put the gun in there. Yeah, put the gun in there. And squeeze it out. Yeah, more deeper. Yeah, more deeper. Yeah. Ready? Go. Oh. You went the wrong way. You did. Oh no, you try to go. Yeah, okay. Do it again. Come here, huh? I see. Oh, okay, hold on. Pull it out, pull it out. Yeah, they're coming out. Oh, shit. Coming out. Go ahead, go ahead. Oh, yeah. You're gonna splash the oil all over. Go ahead, keep going. Right. Get out. Woo!
Hopefully this works.
Where's my tower?
Where?
Ah! Right there, right there. Hey, wake up. Your engine is no good
Why?
because
Oh
the
my God.
metal, see that?
Dang.
Metal.
It really
And
worked, huh?
that's where they strip, see that?
Woo.
They fucking
It came
strip
off,
it.
huh?
Yeah.
Damn.
They strip already, I think they try to fix it. Yeah, they strip already and they try to fix it for you. I think the small bowl right there, see the small bowl.
The manual one?
No, that small one right there.
This one?
Yeah. That's what they call oversized.
Yeah.
Right. See how big that is?
Same size?
Yeah, it is. Oh. Here have a little magnet.
I want to try the Eco.
No, this one better.
Come on, try it first.
See this
Still-
one here,
still coming out.
it make a new thread. Okay.
Yeah. Look at that black gold. Black gold. You think it's bad or what? It need oil change, huh?
Oh, let me lift the other side right there.
Look at that.
That way the oil can flow some more.
All right. Yeah. Good idea. You need a stand or what?
Yeah.
There you go.
See the more oil coming out?
Good job.
Man, why don't you want to fix this? Why don't you listen
Promise
to
you
me,
can.
man?
I'm working on it. Let me see how bad it is.
It's very bad. Very, very bad.
Yeah. Do it again. Oh man. That right there? Is it this?
Everything here, there, in the middle too. Look in the middle too.
It's not tight or what?
No, it just wear out.
That doesn't look hard to fix.
No, it's so easy.
Alright, I'm gonna do it then. I'm gonna order it, alright?
You need to do it today.
I don't got it.
What do you mean?
I don't got the parts.
No, you gotta buy from,
Oh, Riley got it?
let me call. What year your car again?
1992. It's a dinosaur.
Hmm? BMW what?
750 IL.
Hey, how you doing? I got a 92 BMW 750 IL. It's a V12. Tie rod in and out. Right. Alright. Both sides. I think altogether 5 parts, right? Yeah. They are loose, real bad, big time. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, I see what it is. You know, it's the same thing. So the outer, inner and outer use the same part. Yeah. Yeah. 30 bucks each one. Now the damn it, the center one. Yeah, the one that connect them. That thing is bad shape too. Yeah, that is about what, 22 inches long, 24, 26 inches long, I think. Yeah. It's kind of like a ball joint, really. Yeah. Damn, you got them? Everything had to
And
order.
I gotta get it myself. I get it myself.
Okay. All right, it's okay then. Don't worry about it.
I get it myself.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Okay. Appreciate it.
Yeah, that's pretty bad.
Bye bye. Wait there.
Huh. I'm gonna get it.
Yeah, you need both. Okay.
I know the website. I know a good website.
These thing here is the same part. So you need 4 of those. They call inner outer tie rod, that
Yeah.
piece. And this thing here is just a sleeve, you screw it in, okay? And that long one here that you need,
Oh, okay.
because it loose also, real loose. Watch. See that? You see how it turns?
Yeah.
Yeah. And there's your rack and pinion right here.
How's it? It's okay?
It's okay, you know, because once you disconnect this, it's okay.
All right.
So you need 5 pieces. You need 4 of the little one, and you need 1 big long one like that.
Got you. Inner and outer on both sides, and then the centerpiece.
In and outer, both sides use the same part.
And then the centerpiece.
Yeah, and the center, yeah.
What do you mean use the same part? What does that mean?
This little guy right here,
Yeah.
1 over here and 1 over here.
Uh-huh.
It's the same part. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of them. 2 for the left, 2 for the right.
Yeah. Inner and outer is different though. It's separate. They come separate, right?
No, the same thing.
But you gotta order it separate.
No, you order the same time.
All right.
Inner and outer. Go to the website now, I show you.
All right. I'll just go to the
The
website.
main thing is the center one here. Okay, go to the website. Ow. Woo. And you never over tie them. See this thing right here, loose. Now it's tight. That's all you need to be like that.
Okay.
It's sealed already. You don't force them to go anymore. Because this is rubber.
Using 15.
Yeah. That's all you need to do.
So it's good.
Yeah, it's good. Nice and tight. You don't want to go over. Yeah, that's it. It's not going to leak on you.
Thank you.
Done deal.
See how this oil looks. Still good, huh?
No.
Yeah.
Because
That's 3,000 miles right there. Mobile One synthetic.
look. Oh, yeah, it still look well.
It look good.
Yeah, still look good. Yeah, you too hurry.
That's Mobile One.
No more change until another 10,000 miles.
10,000.
Yeah. Trust me.
So it's
You waste your money, son.
So why you come here today?
To fix that bowl. Damn, gold, man.
Hell yeah. Mobile One.
Oh, what the
shit.
fuck? Get a towel, get a towel.
Shit, man. What the hell we do, man? Shit. Yeah,
It's okay. When it's so smooth, I thought it'd go fast. It's actually slow. It's okay. The car leak a lot in the bottom anyway. All right, I do slow this time.
Yeah. Why do that? Watch out, watch out.
see if you think. No leaking. Alright, scoot. The rest is in here.